Shanghai Fujuan Group has more than 35 production lines, and now we're continuing expanding. The product thickness ranges from 0.4 to 3 millimeters, and the width ranges from 12 to 700 millimeters. We accept customization to meet different market needs. The size tolerance within 0.03 millimeters to meet international standards. The glue and pigments we use are all imported from Germany or Europe to ensure stable quality and no batch color differences. The market feedback is good, and it is widely praised by users. The production area covers more than 17,000 square meters factory building. Including office, we have around 20,000 square meters area. We have introduced colors granulator, calendar, and slitting machine, and 3 jumbo roll extruding lines to ensure the sufficient supply. The maximum of width we can produce can be 700 millimeters. Our products including PVC, ABS, PP, metal, all types of profiles, and screw covers. Nowadays, our production capacity up to 45 containers and export all around the world. We pursue all edge banding B-jumbo rolls extruding production within 2 years. We have many technicians who have more than 15 years experience in this field to ensure they exactly color matching. The inks, paints, lacquer are from Germany, and we have major technology to control batch color difference and all kinds of quality points. For slitting, we can produce 2 millimeters per half day. Under this process, the size can be accrued. Not only the quality control, the supply capacity is guaranteed to meet different kinds of customers' requirements. In this case, we can be win-win between our partner and us.